Shoutout sa aking mga mababait na nagtatamsak na kaibigan. Mwah. Nasaan ka ngayon ka, Bakers? What is the time now there, my friend Joseph? My friend Joseph, what is the time now there? Who is this? Wow, Mike Hunt! Happiest birthday! I miss you, Mike. Long time no see, Mr. Mike. I'm going to sing for you. Happy birthday, Sir Mike. Mike Hunt is my friend. Yan. Thank you so much. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sir Mike. Yan. So, ang oras ngayon sa Qatar ay 7:59, almost 8 o'clock. Tama ba ako, ka-bakers? Saan po yan, host? Fitness yoga. How are you, fitness yoga? My friends are here. I miss my friends. Lionheart, lalabs. May galap shout out Lionheart. Si lalabs, ano yan? Unheart is the Lionheart. She is brave but never surrender. How are you? This is deliciously delightful. You don't have to call me sir. No problem. I just respect. Deliciously delightful. Heartful music. Yan, heartful music. Mega love shout out. Why? My friends are here. I'm very happy. Thank you so much. You're coming. You're having a date with me, guys. Excuse me. Fitness yoga. Fitness yoga. Drop the link. And pin. What's this? What's that? What is that? Can you hear that? What's that? What is that? Can you hear that one? Make sure you love UCC. Heartful music. Hello, Sisikoy. Oh my God, MEMs, Megalocious RBC. Fantabulous family. From where is that noise coming? I don't know. What was that? Suddenly there is a voice, a man's voice. Deliciously delightful. Thank you so much. Support MEMs. Ayan. RBC. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, RBC, lalabs. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat dyan. Kanos mo? Basya talaga ni si Manoy dyan. Che! Manoy dyan. Bahala ka dyan. Lagi ganon. RBC, Fantabulous Family. Gwapa naman ng best friend, MMs ko. Nako, pangit nga daw sabi ni ano. Yeah, please connect to Deliciously Delightful, guys. Sabi nga ni John Paul, ang pangit ko daw. Huwag kayong maingay. Ayan ang kumpare ko. Tanungin ko nga yan. Parang Hena, pangit ko daw. Lalabs Inday, Jo, mega love shout out. Yan sasabihin niya ni Lalabs Inday, Jo. Oy, lalabs, Bebsi! Thank you so much, baby ko.